Okay, so you see that's kind of an interesting day today. And for the first run, we have like 2 minutes left till the open. That's interesting. What are we looking for? We are looking actually for a retest of Bebop. Why? Because we dropped a lot, we bounced off that, but we are not able to kind of sustain the momentum. We came back to this pivot-ish. Maybe we could bounce from 700s also and like run for the 700s. But what I would bet, like, okay, I might change my mind in a few minutes. I don't know. But I would still think that we have a big potential for down retest of that because the extension of today is like 200 points. So I actually can I enter now? Mm, yeah, I will enter now. I will enter for the drop, for very little drop, just before the open for the retest of the VWAP, which is like still in 1 minute, but I'm expecting this retest to be tested. It's not the big issue. We are coming down quite. By the way, I want my risk to be 100 from now on. I want my risk to be 100 from now on. So 1 to 2 risk to reward. And I'm seeing this as a pivot. Also, the open drive for the VWAP retest of that thing, and hopefully we're good to go. A few seconds left, 30 seconds, like it's very easy target to hit. Right now we're halfway. It's a very super duper easy. We're just dancing on that, and do I want to lower my risk? No, not really. Not really. I'm trusting my process because sometimes, just giving up the the giving up the room will just where? What? Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. Look, if you came back to this area, you must def. What the? Oh, why am still here? That is weird as f. That is weird as f. By the way, let's check what was my risk. 43. So, and we are dropping. This might be a huge range. Thank you. Thank you. So we got 1,000 dead, but I moved my stop loss. Hmm, I don't know. Ooh. Okay, good, 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 good. Yesterday was a losing day, by the way. I've lost some of that, but now I'm back on track. So we've spent 28, 30, so 2 minutes. We spent 2 minutes. We risked 2,000. We earned 1,000. Why did I think so? Yeah, I thought like VWAP is a good target to hit. it's a magnet. In this area, like it for in this particular, like there was lots of reasons for that. I don't know. It just seemed in good area to short. I could have also maybe shorted here, or at least for the break of that structure. But overall, yeah, pivot maybe big trades. I like what I see. Let's check what ES is doing. ES is wow. ES actually percentagely and proportionately like dropped down almost all the way, and this one only third of the way. Like it looks like it. If I would measure, I would definitely get different numbers, but that's what I see, and that's what I think I see. Yeah, bro. Okay, so this one is for all-time highs. Is it possible in 1 minute for all-time highs, for sake of love of all-time highs? I mean, because my setup will probably indicate me that I'll have to take a long here. Let's measure that. What do we have now? 53. Okay. Wow, that's twice the range as it was yesterday, by the way. Interesting, right? 43. Okay, so if we would, okay, two things. First of all, let's draw a square. And if I would sell here, what's my 7? Good. So probably there's no reason to not put my orders in, since we got this very precisely where we want to be. And that's a nice doji, huh? Doji indecision, bros, indecision. So if we break that, it's not a big range to hit. If we hit that, it's not a big range to hit that. So, but also it's not a big range to come back, you know? That's always two sides. Always two sides of the trade, which you cannot predict. But I'm taking my risks, and I'll be in the trade super duper soon. I mean, okay, don't rush. There's no point in ruining your edge. But like it's gonna take that, definitely. If we global for highs. Okay, okay, to be like exact, I didn't expect that to run for the highs of today, which is a bit tricky, but it's just before the highs. So maybe, I don't know, but like it doesn't matter, like for few cents, I don't care, okay? For even for a few dollars, I don't want to ruin that. If it doesn't hit, like for example, it doesn't hit and it rotates all the way back down, like here, I'm in the trade, right? And I'm in trade, but I'm not supposed to be in the trade. Thank God they didn't take the order in, even the slippage wise. Thank God. Thank God. But okay, so we're in the trade. And like look at this difference. Mm-hmm. 50 cents difference. I would, yeah. So now, yeah, because we went through with this force. Okay, Still attacking that. The structures I don't like. I don't like the structure. It was slowly grinding, then peeped, and slowly grinding. There's no real, yeah, I don't like that. But it's just probability game. But we're definitely in the trade. There's no doubt about it. There's nothing wrong about it. We'll see if we can squeeze up, like to continue up. But all signs are showing that this is not really working. You have to be stronger than that, bro. Have to be stronger than that. Yeah, you're quite weak on this part. You could easily drop to VWAP again. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, so damn. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. That's what I can tell you. But like oh, oh, oh. Very unfortunate. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm not taking MES trade. And you see how it's barcoding. So no, I'm not taking that. Would I take the opposite trade? I don't know. I don't know. Like there is a probability for that. That like all take all, every structure, all everything taking into consideration. If we come back to VWAP now for the third time, we might. We might. We might crash that. You know, there is a chance. There is a chance. I know, but like from the structural point of view, from everything, like also there's pivots here. Also yesterday's high, but maybe to yesterday's open. Very interesting. Very interesting. Hmm. Yeah, it's a good place actually to short this. That was nice place to short this. Even now, it would be nice place to add to your short. Can I tell you that I can add to my short? Okay, good. So a nice trading day. We had one loser, two winners overall. We are superstar, superstar. It's nice profits overall. We are up around 60 euros. Nearly, nearly, wait, nearly 70 euros on my account, my live account, which is going from 1 to 3.5 weeks right now. So it's quite alright. It's quite nice to have it like that. Also, like, today might be a red day, huh? I was for so small in profits. For so small. That is crazy, baby. Radio didn't play me. Still don't know that. But probably nothing special. We are just dropping. Okay, absorption at the bottom. Buyer stepped in. There's too many sellers still. But there's a pivot bounce for that maybe. Before we hit. No? No. Smacking down, still smacking down. Bounce off. Yes. What in the name of Jesus is going on here? What the? Like, what the fuck? No. Yes. No, take that out. Take. Why am I lagging? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not well. What the? Yeah, that's my. That's. Oh my god. What? Yes. What? I don't know what is going on actually, but all I know is that I cannot close this. I don't know where was the fill. Oh my brother. Okay, let's pretend it's just a demo. Okay. Bounce of, yeah, so bounce of 600s. That was my initial thought. Wow. I'm still some. I hope I don't have any orders left. Okay, so this accidentally put me on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This let's it's just demo, okay? It's just demo. There was some lag, there was some issues. By the way, we being on 99% of my target, right? 90. No, we actually did hit with one tick. Haha. Ha ha. Yep, we did hit that. Perfect. Perfect. Market did what it wanted to do. Nice. uh, but okay. See you.